right. So I was saying, in another capacity, speculation is rife that the local government elections could be called this Thursday. Right. We know that based on, if one thing, politicians know how to count. And so, or they should. And so we're around that time where we're expecting. How ready are you should an election be called this Thursday afternoon?
Well, because it's been put off so many times, you know, we have been in a state of getting ready for it for 3 years plus, you know. And we feel, given what the Prime Minister said last year, he committed that it would be held by the 28th of February, which is the current deadline. We are preparing for that, and we feel ready to take that on, and we're expecting to do well.
And how impressed are you, how pleased are you with the team of candidates that you have to offer to the Jamaican people?
We have some excellent candidates at the divisional level, the councillor level, you know, young professionals, a wide array of skills and talents, and enthusiasm, passion for nation building, passion for service to their communities. So I think that, you know, the councillors that are elected from our party will serve well and will take local government to another level, I believe.
I was just about to, as you said that, I want to ask you, local government is so important. Local governance is so important. How important is it to get people out, for people to see the importance of coming out to vote? We know that local polls tend to have a low voter turnout, but how important is it for people to exercise their right of franchise?
I think it's very important because local government practitioners, the councillors, are in charge of significant resources, inadequate but still significant, and they are impacting lives around many areas in communities, you know, and they really ought to be given more responsibility, I think, and more resources to deliver the services that people need in their communities, because they're the sort of first responders to the needs of their communities.
The people directly.
And they're elected by the people, so they have to be responsive to them. So I would say to everybody, this is an important election. You know, the current government's been in office now for 8 years nearly, and it's 2020 was the last general election, so there will be a general election fairly soon. This is an opportunity for people to assert their franchise and make a statement as to whether or not they're happy with what's going on now. And also, I think, to take the local government system to another place, because some of the plans that we have for local government, which will be announced shortly, I think will help to transition local government to make it more relevant, more effective, and more democratic. So, you know, I'm looking forward to when we roll out our proposals. So
looking forward to hearing.
Yes, CVM will be there. Time come, I gotta tell you. Thank you so much, sir. That was the Honorable Mark Golding, leader of the opposition, and Professor Joseph